Let's go 3. Lesson 21. What time do you get up? Listen and repeat.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7:50.
What time do you start school?
I start school at 8 o'clock.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
What time do you go home?
I go home at 3 o'clock.
What time do you do your homework?
I do my homework at 4 o'clock.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 6 o'clock.
What time do you take a shower?
I take a shower at 7:30.
What time do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 9 o'clock.